If you are wondering how long does the battery last on Motorola Edge 70, then let me quickly answer this question for you. So I'm gonna assume that we have the typical average daily use of the phone. I mean, we use our phone on a daily basis just like a typical average user, where we have a little bit of calling, a little bit of web browsing, maybe watching some videos, and let's say here and there we will also play some games. In that case, you should be able to get approximately 13 hours and 45 minutes of the battery of a single charge. Of course, the time in reality depends on many different things, what you do on your phone, what features you have enabled, and probably some other things I cannot really name right now. But yeah, for example, if you use the whole battery just for calling, then you can actually get 33 hours and 20 minutes of the battery. If you use it for browsing different websites, browsing the internet, then you will get like 11 hours and 15 minutes or so. If you use the whole battery to watch videos, you should be able to watch them for 18 hours and 20 minutes approximately, of course. And for gaming, the battery should last for 8 hours and 25 minutes. But like I said, depending on which features we also use, this also has an impact on the battery. So you have to consider these things. But we can assume that the average time of the battery of a single charge before the battery drains from 100 to 0 should be approximately 13 hours and 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.